Hello there friends and muck spreaders. Muck spreaders. I gotta make quickly a shitter picker-upper. How's that? A shitter picker-upper. Most of my YouTube friends will know and tell you, if you know them, that we inherited another dog, English bull. When a little dog shits out here, the big dog wants to shit out the front. So I can't cart things in and out for picking up the dog mess. Should we call it mess or just call it shit, innit? You know, call it what it is. It's fucking shit. So, quick job of making a quick pick it up. Now the way I did it last time was just as, you know, it's like a dustpan and brush. But it's longer, so you don't have to bend down. That's all it is. That's all it fucking is. There's nothing technical in this fucking house. So we need something to squiggle. A squiggly type thing. We're going to need electricity. Can I get it there? There you go. Sharpen my pencil like. Just gets a nice end and then it falls off, you know what I mean? A real annoying piece of fucking junk. But don't bang it like that. Now my eyes went, ooh, yes, there you go. Oh, now Robert's a fucking nutter. Yeah. So we're going to fold that in, that up, that up, that down, and that across and up and over. She only needs to be about that big, because I'll say that big. The thing shits a lot, but we don't want to over exaggerate, do we? So it's just a matter of doodly do, doodly da. Are you listening? Yeah, okay. We're going to just get this a fold. Well, I want that to go up to about there. And then it's going to go to about there, I'd say. I've just come back. I've just got home. Right, take that down to no need for that, mate. Oh dear. 1.5. 1.5 will do. Oh. I have to make one of these for me as well, right? Oh my god. Yeah. That is vicious. What I'm trying to say is, we got about 3 more cuts. And no pumpkin blades because I didn't bring any on with me. We'll do it. We'll make do with all these little bits. Well, she had to go. I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said. That's where it's at now. I've done it a bit thicker there, like, so the welding would be slightly a bit easier. How the fuck are you gonna bend this barb? Bob got idea. Whoa, good Bob. Loosen that off a bit. This is where you're saying, Rob, are we supposed to be watching or you just like talking to yourself? Well, mostly I like talking to myself and walking into hostile wheels, which I just did. I'm going to see if I can use that voice. Because it's a wider doodler. Like that. Bend. Simple as. Simple as. People of the revolution. I need a line on the inside as well. For 2 minutes. I know where the line is. I'm going to have to do it too tight because it's only a bit of steel. There you go, go on, you can do it. Go on, Rob, you can do it. I might be crap at a lot of things, but steel work I think I was pretty good at. So we ended up with that sort of crap. Clamp. That's it. Want to buy it? Quick, make me an offer. What do you say? Tenner? As much as that. Well, you don't need a fucking bucket full of welding on you, as I've seen some people doing. I won't tell you, because he's bigger than me. But there's no need for a lot of welding, you know. It's a simple thing of really tic-tac-toeing. Yeah, it's just a matter of attack. Then we're going to weld something on the end and just put a doodly in. I know what you're saying, but fuck, don't know where all my clamps are gone. I did see a lot like Tony's the other day, perhaps he's been here nicking my clamps. Right, tack there, tack there. Nothing tremendously complicated. There's no need to over weld. 2 spots there, which I just stuck my finger on. 2 spots in there, plenty. You know, you've got other things that you want to do, like, you know, get in the purge. Just squash it together like that. And whop a freaking tack on it. Yeah, 3 taps. 3 zaps of a tapper. 3 zaps of a tapper. Scoop, shit. Thing on the back, plug in, volume 6. I found an angle, and I found a tube. It's about 35ish. About 35. Don't stop now. Okay. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Back in the shed with my mate Fred. I saw that. That's fucking up. You want that angle, you see. Why do I always get fucking burns? So we did the pipe, just leaning back a kick. I'll just prettify it now. Shit, pick that up. I'm going at the back. Oh, don't leave me. I gotta leave you. You can't come out there. It's dangerous stuff. Let's see where we go here. Varnish. No black. Shithouse green. That'll fucking do me. I'm not allowed to spray indoors, you see, for obvious reasons. What's the obvious reason? A thing called shooting. What do you think? I put varnish on it because it toughens it up a bit. How quick was that? It won't look like that the next time you see it.